So here's an Edsel. Is that 59?
I believe it's a 59. That's a donor car for a 4-door 59 I got up front. Even though that one up there don't really need anything. But
And we're thinking price on this one.
don't know.
Okay, we'll have to negotiate. Okay, and this one here. What is that, Ken?
47.
I think that's a 47. Four-door.
Marker light, so
4-door suicide doors.
48.
I think Ken was going to buy this 54 DeSoto limo. Two-door Chevy Coupe. This is a Style Master. And that's a Nash.
That is a Nash.
About
50 model.
50 model Nash.
15.
Yeah.
Four-door Oldsmobile.
Getting closer, right?
Yeah.
This is, I don't want to make this mistake again. I came here that time and then said I'm buying 5 cars, isn't it? 5 or 6 cars.
No, that's why I brought you. Get this started.
I'm here to buy this second. Okay. In the shop. I'm here to look and see again.
Another 2-door Chevy.
A heavy Chevy?
Two-door Master Deluxe.
Yep. It's in there. It's inside there. And that's a little 2-door Coronet.
That's different. This is a Chevrolet, huh?
Yeah. 41, I think.
Right. This is not after the war, because look at how the door doesn't turn. The fender don't turn in with the door.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But it's pretty much got everything inside and in the trunk. I mean, all the room.
So that Chevy and that Chevy are pretty compatible. Actually, that grill probably matches. Or not.
There's a
This one's got-
two-door Coronet.
Oh, it's in there?
Dodge Coronet.
2-door Coronet. Pretty much complete car. Then you got a, I believe that's a 54 Cadillac. Got actually 2 of them.
54 Cadillac. Got 2 of those.
That one's kind of a donor. The other one's in real good shape over there, but you could take both of them and make one good one. This is a donor car for the 64 2-door Chevy that I got up there. And of course I want to keep the
We're going
old
to keep
Plymouth.
this Plymouth.
It's a Super 8 4-door.
You keeping that one?
This is the old, yeah, I like the old black one
Yeah.
for some reason.
Yeah. They're cool.
Here's a 51 Coupe.
Yeah.
51 Chevy Coupe.
Wow, that would make a good donor flip. Anyhow.
Here's the other Cadillac.
The 2-door up there is in good shape. I mean, it's floorboards and everything, but it's in good shape.
Here's the other Cadillac.
That's the second Cadillac. I mean, real straight old car, not beat up, no rust through on it or anything. Then here we got the crazy Oldsmobile with the running dual spotlights.
That is cool.
And so you can see where you're going real
Yes.
good.
That is cool.
Look at that wicked ass hood ornament there. Ain't that crazy?
Yeah, they had to put all kind of stuff on that one.
Yeah. Let's see. All these will go down through here also, except the station wagon down here at the end.
How about this Jag?
I would go. They're not bringing much. I mean,
I
Yeah.
bought a few Jags for Deepak. There's
That's
a
not an Impala.
Here's a Dodge Polara.
that's a Dodge. I think
That's a
either
Royal.
This one's a Polara or a Royale.
This one says
Vice
Royal.
versa. Okay. And that's a complete car. Got the crazy pin. Ken likes those pins.
Yeah, that one's got, both those have fins. Complete car.
This grill better. The Regal. The other one, the other Chevy is not a Impala. It's a
Biscayne. This thing was running well when I pulled it in here. Yes,
What year is that one?
50. I can't remember. Gary or here.
What would you guess?
That year?
Yeah.
58.
Yeah, 58.
58.
All right.
Yeah. 7, 8. You want me to double check?
This car, it had a. I bought it. And it had
58. He's got it.
58. This is a 58 Lincoln right here.
Gotcha.
This is a,
I think that's a 58. Maybe wrong, but regardless, it had a souped-up motor in it when I bought it. I pulled the motor and training out of it because I wanted
Something else,
so
okay.
it don't have a motor.
okay, this one's just a rolling
Yes.
body. Here's a 58
Del
four-door
Rey.
Del Rey.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, 490.
This had to have been garage,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice car.
What about the Del Rey? How about these two?
Caliente.
I want to keep the station wagon. That's the only one I'm going to keep in this lineup.
Del Rey?
I can go.
Make me a buyer. Make me a buyer. Going once. Going twice.
2,500.
Sold!
Here's a
Somewhere around there.
It was
is this a 60 model wagon?
It's not for sale.
That one's not for sale.
Channel line moving, Jack.
And then here's Hudson
That's the
Hornet.
Hornet,
This
yep.
one gonna go or stay?
Yep.
This will go.
Don't have a title on that one.
No title on the Hornet.
It really is, man. I've seen those things fixed up and they can make them look sorry. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, they are. They were in the 50s. You know, they were old school cool cars because they were winning the races.
Yeah.
You know, when they were winning the races and the hot rodders.
I think it's got all
Made
the
'em
trim and everything. This old LTD's a good running vehicle. We put new fuel pump on it, clean the tank on it, and all that crap.
So this one runs and drives.
Yeah. That's a good old car. 289 automatic.
66.
And this one here's a Chieftain.
Yes, it is. I believe a 54. I think.
I think that's a 54 two-door Chieftain.
Yep.
And this is a
Studebaker Lark.
Studebaker Lark. And this is a 53, 54 Chevy.
Yes. Yes. Look at this stainless steel trim on top. Man.
I like these. This,
Yeah.
this is super cool.
What,
I
this
like
is
this just to put out in front of my house.
It's a
25
push-
to buy this?
It's a
No,
push button.
I got more than that in it.
Do you?
Yeah.
What is
this
I
a
guess they got
60
lower
model?
than that. I mean,
Well, I mean, it's just a car.
is
But
it
it
35?
it was a running car and everything
It's
else.
35 close?
35. I paid 36 for it, believe it or not. I bought two cars from a guy, and I just liked it because it had
Yeah,
crazy fins. But
hey, I would look at it for that money and hopefully get it back out of it later. You know,
I mean,
that's
it will run. It's got the big 413 in it, but
Dodge. I mean, Chrysler motor.
Yes.
Here's
Same thing.
here's the other
two-door.
64
Yeah,
two-door with that four-door parts car down there
Yes, sir.
goes to make it complete.
Yeah.
Here's a
I forget what that
four-door Plymouth. Or like, is that a, what do they call the Plymouths? Cornet for the Dodge.
is. I'm trying to think.
Probably too old for a satellite, huh? Well, that's a four-door Plymouth. We're not sure what it is. What year approximately?
His is also.
48, 50, somewhere in there.
53, I think.
53.
Keeping this old junker.
Okay, gonna keep the truck. How
Jeep,
about this Jeep?
It was running. The only thing, the slave cylinder on the clutch needs to be replaced. But
Okay, about what year is
Billy
it?
drives one around. I backed into him right there.
This is probably an 80 or 90. mid 80s to early 90s Jeep.
Can't remember.
Okay.
I can't see.
What's that silver car there? Mercedes?
It is, it was running when I parked it. I can't remember what it is.
A four-door Mercedes sedan.